girl May Butterfly here. It's been so long since I've been on my channel. I have been going through a lot of stuff, but hey, I'm back. This is good for me. I miss being here. I miss making these, and I miss my makeup. Let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to put on my face will be this oil. It's from Earth Harbor. It's called Aurora. It's a Superfood Luminance oil. It's actually been very good for my skin, especially for eczema. I really recommend this stuff. Alright, today I'm going to be using the Maybelline Dream Urban Cover Full Coverage Foundation. It's in the shade Buff Beige. I really recommend this foundation if you have dry skin like myself. It gives you a nice dewy finish. For concealer, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. Here I'm using the color Pecan, or Pecan, whatever you like to say. Next, I'll be using the same concealer but in the shade Oatmeal to further highlight under my eyes. To set my concealer, I'm using my favorite Everyday VACAY Coconut Setting Powder. Oh, I just love the way this smells, and it lasts long, and you don't crease with it. It's wonderful. To contour, I'm using my Makeup Revolution Mega Bronzer in the color Warm. For blush, I'm gonna dip into my Getaway Eye and Face palette by Wonder Beauty. I'm going to be using the shade Day Trip, which is a nice pink shade. For the brows, I'm using my Hourglass Brow Sculpting Pencil, and it's in the shade Soft Brunette. Brunette. Sorry, can't talk today. And here comes the fun part. I'm using my brown sugar palette from Colourpop. For my transition shade here, I'm using the color Amber, which is an orange looking color. To deepen my crease, I'm using the color Loreal. It's a nice dark brown color. I'll also be using the same shade for my lower lash. I'm going to be really smoking it out. For the middle of my lid, I'll be using the color Auburn, which is a nice bronzy color. For the inner corner of my eyelid, I'm using the shade Ginger, which is a champagne looking color, just to give me a little bit of a pop. Here I'm using the color Chalk, for I guess chocolate, you know what I'm saying, to deepen the outer corner of my eyes. For liner, I'm using my Hank & Henry Longwear Liquid Eyeliner in the color Blickety Black. And here's the final look. Off camera, I put on my Demi Wispy lashes from Ardell, and I also put on my Becca highlighter in the color Champagne Pop. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Help your girl out. God bless you guys. Bye.